A warm good evening to everyone. I mean, standing in front of here and looking at all of these faces, all these supportive faces here makes me really overwhelming. I mean, I am so excited. I can't express, I think, my smile, my enthusiasm can really express that I am so excited and so thankful for every one of you present here. Thank you so much for making for this event here. And I would take an honor to extend my vote of thanks in front of you all. And I, on behalf of the entire global team, would like to thank our guest of honor, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, dear excellencies from different embassies, supportive partners, and all the guests present here. Thank you for your gracious presence here to despite the challenges we all are facing this time, and all of your presence here means a lot to every one of us, to all the global team here. Thank you so much, everyone. Well, through Global, we always have been driven to work on the development of skills and building a skilling ecosystem. And the urge of building this skilling ecosystem and a skillful Nepal led us to initiate Skill Week, where we celebrate skills and promote skill education. And here we are with the second edition of Skill Week with much more enthusiasm and energy throughout the week. Well, this is indeed a proud moment for me here as we accomplish in building a little bit of skilling environment throughout the week. So, well, this could not have been accomplished without the supporting hands who contributed in making this platform become a success. So moving forward, firstly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation to our guest of honor, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, for his valuable insights and words delivered. We understand that you have taken out a very important time from your schedule and traveled this long to contribute to this program, and it means a lot for us. So through your story and insight, we are able to build a great existence of our vision for this program. So thank you so much for your valuable contribution, Mr. Wangchuk. Moving forward, I would like to congratulate all the winners of skill competition, and it's an honor for me to be able to award Nobel Skill Hero awardees. Because this award reflects the power and importance of skilling in one's life. And having seen this awarded to these dignitaries, I think motivates every one of us here and really motivates us to work on our skills and promote skills. So I think overall, this event, Skill Week 2021, was a great accomplishment for us, where we could award these dignitaries, we could award young generation, young lads, and motivating them for their skill promotion. Moving forward, I would like to express my deep thanks to Nobel Bank being our associate partner of the Skill Week 2021 and Nobel Skill Hero Awards, the initiative promoted by CGPay, our strategic partner VSDTA, Embassy of India, CNI and FNCCI, who believed in us and supported in all other ways to make our vision a reality. Our pay TV partner This Home, likely my sincere thanks to our hospitality partner Solti Crowny Plaza for providing us the great hospitality and the place where we all are celebrating skills among you all. Similarly, thanks to our airlines partner Turkish Airlines and Nepal Airlines, our PR partner Vichitra for the phenomenal PR support throughout, TV partner Yoho Television, and many thanks to all our entertainment partner Nepal Eyes and app partner Eventsmo, and not to miss our workshop partners and internship partners who provided unconditional help in the course of execution of this program, Skill Week, throughout the week. Thank you all in believing in us and making our vision a reality. Without your support, we couldn't have made to this level. And this is a privilege for me to say that we are a part of big team of partners, supporters, audiences, everyone present here, in creating some impact and aim to grow further with the same spirit. Well, finally, let me put on record to the team who have worked extremely hard, both in the foreground and background, which has pulled the program to this end. I would like to thank each and every single member of Glocal, our energizing volunteers, and the great team of Logistic. You all have been a driving force behind this whole process. So thank you from Glocal, thank you from the whole heart, and thank you so much for being here. I hope you all have a great evening ahead and stay safe. Thank you so much.